Hello students, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are good, right? You are enjoying. So, this is also one of the moments for you to enjoy. How? Because we are going to learn English grammar, that is conjunctions. Okay, so I hope you will really enjoy it. So, this is just an addition to your enjoyment. Are you ready? Let's see. Conjunctions. What are conjunctions? This is very important to learn. This is very important to understand the meaning of our topic, our chapter, right? Conjunctions. Conjunctions are linking words. Conjunctions are connecting words or connectors, they are known as connectors. As the name itself suggests, connectors means something that connects, right, in this way. You might have seen a train, right? An engine is there, so many coaches are there, and you know, all the coaches have been connected with each other, with one another, right, in this way, right? This is a link. So, these linking words or these links are known as conjunctions. Means what is a sentence? A sentence is simply a meaningful group of words. What words? Means so many words are there. So, sometimes it so happens that we feel like connect two or more words with a word or a group of words or phrase, right? So, in short we can say word or words that are used to connect two words, two or more words or phrases or clauses are known as conjunctions. Suppose I say, Ram is a good boy, right? And second sentence is, Shyam is a good boy. And I tell you to connect these two sentences. Ram is a good boy, Shyam is a good boy. And now it's your turn to convert them into one, combine them into one. So, how will you? Obviously, to connect these two sentences, we will require at least one word. So, as to make it meaningful, right? Ram is a good boy. This is a sentence, this is an independent sentence, right? And Shyam is a good boy. This is also an independent sentence, right? But when these two sentences are joined together using another word, for example, and. So, now the sentence is Ram and Shyam are good boys. Ram and Shyam. So, rest of the part is same, is a good boy, is a good boy. So, that is common, okay, and we have connected Ram and Shyam, that makes plural. So, accordingly verb will also be changed. Earlier Ram is, because that is singular, Shyam is, that is singular. But if we combine them, if we join them together, Ram and Shyam, I think that makes plural. So, Ram and Shyam are good. Earlier boy was there, but now boys, right? Okay, one more example. Ram likes coffee. Ram likes coffee, and second part is Shyam likes tea. Ram likes coffee, Shyam likes tea. So, we have to join them, we have to make them one, right? So, Shyam likes coffee is an independent sentence. Ram likes tea or Ram likes coffee and Shyam likes tea, they both are independent sentences, right? And if we combine them, if you are going to join them into one, we will require at least one word. Ram likes coffee, Shyam likes tea. We have to join them. At least we require a linking word, that is conjunction. So, how to? Ram likes coffee, but Shyam likes tea, right? So, in this way, dear students, this is the brief explanation of the term conjunctions. Is that clear? Now we are going to have a look at their kinds, right? What kinds of conjunctions are there? How many kinds of conjunctions are there? So, have a look, right? Coordinating conjunctions, I will explain. Second, subordinating conjunctions, and third one is correlative conjunctions. One by one we will learn about them. So, there comes the turn of coordinating conjunctions, right? Coordinating conjunctions, what are they? So, let me tell you, coordinating conjunctions are known as, let me tell you, this is a hint for you to make it easier. F A N B O Y S. Just a hint, right? Fanboys. Coordinating conjunctions, no matter they are contrast, coordinating conjunctions in contrast, in addition or in reasoning. So, fanboys is there. So, fanboys, this term stands for F. F stands for, and, nor, N-O-R, nor, this is but, this is or, this is yet, and this is so. Let me repeat, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. So, in short, we can say, using these linking words, when we join two sentences, two phrases or two words, these conjunctions are known as coordinating conjunctions. Is that clear? One more thing about them. One more thing about them means coordinating conjunctions. In coordinating conjunctions, two independent clauses are there. Two independent clauses are there and we have to join them. That is coordinating, right? Two independent are there, main clause and main clause. Independent clause, join them into one, and that is coordinating conjunctions. Is that clear? So, let us have a look at them in contrast. Whenever these conjunctions express the meaning in contrast, means two sentences or two phrases are opposite to each other, right, in contrast. So, that is known as coordinating conjunctions in contrast, and whenever we have to join two sentences known as clauses earlier, I will explain the term clauses also, do not worry. So, when they both are equal or same, but we have to make an additional meaning, we have to add an additional meaning to them, that is coordinating conjunctions in addition. And last is reasoning, right, whenever we are going to explain the reason of something. So, these are three coordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions, subordinate means one, at least that is for sure, two clauses are there. One is main clause or independent clause, and second one is subordinate clause or dependent clause, right. So, whenever these two clauses have been given, subordinate clause and main clause, dependent clause and independent clause, right, in this way. So, these whatever the words we use to join them are known as subordinating conjunctions. What? Subordinating conjunctions. Okay. And the last one is correlative conjunctions. Whenever a conjunction has two or more parts and they both are correlated, right, they both are related to each other. Not only, tell me the another part, oh sir, but also either, of course sir, either or, neither, nor, both, and, hardly, scarcely, when, barely, when, no sooner, then, in this way. So, they are known as correlative conjunctions, and we will learn all these conjunctions one by one. I hope you have got it students. So, one by one we are going to learn them, okay students, through examples. And please keep your book open. Please open your book. You can see exercises are there, and what I taught, contrast, right. The first one is contrast, coordinating. Contrast means they both are opposite to each other, right. So, two clauses are opposite to each other, like but, like yet. Two opposite things have been connected with but, yet. So, that is okay. In your book, have a look at the example. Rita's proposal was not accepted, right. Rita's proposal was not accepted. She was not depressed. These are two opposite sentences, okay. Rita's proposal was not accepted. You can see this is a sentence, this group of words is a sentence, right. And second one is she was not depressed, right. She was not depressed, right. These are two independent sentences. Now, we are going to connect them into one, right. These are two different. So, whenever two different opposite to each other clauses, sentences are connected, we use but or yet, right. Look. So, the combined sentence will be Rita's proposal was not accepted, but she was not depressed. You will really enjoy. Look here. From Rita, from the word Rita's to depressed, this whole group of words is known as sentence. Okay. Earlier, Rita's proposal was not accepted. This was a sentence, and she was not depressed. This was also a sentence. But in one sentence, and we have joined them. So, they will not be known as sentences any longer now, right. In a sentence, no other sentences are there, right. We have joined them and we have made another sentence. So, Rita's proposal was not accepted. You can see. So, now this part is not known as sentence. It is sentence here, but it is not sentence. It is a clause, right. She was not depressed. This is a sentence, right. But here, she was not depressed. This is not a sentence. This is a clause. So, what we can say? Sentence plus sentence is equal to sentence. But the structure will be known as clause plus clause. Means now they are known as same group of words is there, but still clause, connector means conjunction plus clause is equal to sentence. So, the formula is clause plus connector or conjunction plus clause is equal to sentence. Is that clear now? Right? In a sentence there can be many clauses, but in a clause there can be no sentence. You know why? Because clause is just a part of the sentence. You can see now this is sentence, this is clause, because now it has become, this same sentence has become the part, a small part of the whole group of words known as sentence. So, this is a clause, this is a clause, and this but is a conjunction linking word, right. So, this is known as coordinating conjunctions, and in that contrast, right. We can take the example of yet also, you can see, but we have explained yet. He is rich, he is rich, he is not proud. They both are different. He is rich, he is not proud. Let us connect them. So, what to say? He is rich, yet he is not proud. So, this is a sentence. Earlier, he is rich is a sentence, he is not proud is a sentence, but when we have joined them into one, so he is rich is a clause, clause 1, yet conjunction, and he is not proud, not second sentence, but this is clause number 2. So, I hope you have got the meaning of clause also, right. So, next is coordinating conjunction. Okay, students, which coordinating? In addition. Coordinating is already going on, right. This contrast we have done. Now is the turn of addition. Overall, we can say now we are going to learn coordinating conjunctions in addition, right. Now, this contrast is clear. Now, we are going to learn addition, right. Means two equal weightage sentences are joined into one sentence, and these two different sentences of same weightage are known as clauses, right. And whenever two equal weightage sentences are joined, so they are known. Look, contrast but yet, addition and, right. So, have a look in your book, page 81, right. Zaira plays chess, her sister plays cricket. Zaira plays chess. This is one independent sentence, okay, and her sister plays cricket. Zaira's sister plays cricket. Okay. Now, see, they both are independent. This is independent, this is independent, but same weightage is there. Look, Zaira plays cricket, okay, but Zaira's sister also plays something else, but she also plays. So, similarity has been explained, has been expressed. So, whenever same similarity is expressed in two sentences, so this is known as addition, coordinating conjunctions in addition, right. So, we are going to connect it with a conjunction and, as we have mentioned. So, what to say? Zaira plays chess. And now Zaira's sister we will not repeat, because it is now So, to avoid the repetition of noun, what to use? Pronoun. So, and her sister plays cricket. Okay? So, this is coordinating conjunctions in addition. Have you got it? Students, don't get confused because Zaira plays chess. I know you must be thinking, sir, cannot we use, means can't we use this conjunction? Because Zaira plays chess and her sister plays cricket. So, contrast is also there. Plays is same, but names of games are different. So, don't worry, it's up to us what we mean to say, right? This is not hard and fast. Anyhow, we have to frame a meaningful sentence. So, we can write it as Zaira plays chess, but her sister plays cricket. This is also correct. So, it all depends. Suppose you have been told to use it as coordinating conjunction in contrast, then you have to use and. But suppose you have been told to use it as addition, then obviously you have to use and. Don't worry students, the meaning must be clear and the sentence must be meaningful. Okay. Next, coordinating, right? One sentence is there, and for reasoning we can use comma for, right? Comma for can be used and so, right? Look here. Suppose the sentence is Rohit failed. Rohit failed, right? Rohit did not work hard. These are two separate independent sentences, but we have to combine them into one, we have to join them. So, how to? Look, Rohit failed. So, we can write Rohit failed. You must be thinking, sir, we can write Rohit failed because he did not work hard, right? You are right, but here we have to use either of them, either this one or this one. But let me explain, this is not simply for as a preposition, this is comma for, and mind it students, whenever only for is there, that is preposition, right? I have brought a pen for you. Whom are you waiting for? Right? This for is preposition. But whenever comma for has been given, it means because. Okay? So, Rohit failed, comma for means because. Now again Rohit word will not be used because he did not work hard. Is that clear students? Right? So, in this way, this coordinating conjunctions means first kind of conjunctions is over. So, dear students, have a look at the exercise A on page number 82. First one already done, right? The days are warm in summer, the nights are cool. They both are in contrast, opposition. So, what we have used? But. Okay. Next one is Vipul had scored good grades. He was cheerful. He had scored poor grades. Bad marks he had scored. Right. If you say good, then they both are same. He was happy. Right. But here opposition is there. Means Vipul had scored poor grades. Bad marks. Right. And he was cheerful. So, what to say? Yet is there, right? Yet in contrast. So, this is known as contrast, right? So, we can say, but one let me do for you, it was raining, and this is sentence 6, exercise A, page 82, you can see 6. It was raining, okay, and blank space is there. We did not go out. So, what do you think? Obviously, so can be there, right? So, we did not go out, right? That is why we did not go out in this way. So, this is coordinating conjunction. Okay, students. Next is exercise B. Exercise B is there. You can see on the same page, exercise B is there, and you can see so many sentences are there, and sentence number 4. Randomly we are attempting sentence number 4, and that is Shreya had hurt herself. Shreya had hurt herself. Okay, and second part is she was cheerful, means Shreya, she was cheerful. Okay, students, now we have to combine them into one. What do you think? Shreya had hurt herself, she was injured, right, and she was cheerful, but still, right. So, opposition is there. So, what to say? We can use yet, right, and the sentence will be Shreya had hurt herself, yet she was cheerful. Okay, students, in this way, this coordinating conjunctions is complete. Exercise A and B we have done. In exercise A, we are supposed to use one conjunction in the given blank space, but in exercise B, two sentences have been given to you, right, and you are supposed to connect them into one, join them using fanboys. Let me revise: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Okay, student. So, these are coordinating conjunctions. I hope you have got them perfectly, right.